How to uninstall Visual Studio Code completely remove in your PC and laptop with installed extensions. Windows search box lo control panel enter. First one, control panel, select programs and features option, select Microsoft Visual Studio Code user, select mouse right click, uninstall click. Visual Studio Code uninstall window lo first button yes click. Visual Studio Code was successfully removed from your computer. OK button click, close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side this PC option, select first one, new volume C, select open. User folder, select open. System or laptop username folder PC, select open. .vs code folder remove, select open. Installed extensions, select open. Number of installation extensions plugins in VS Code. System username folder PC, select remove this folder, mouse right click, fourth icon delete click. Folder close. Keyboard lo shortcut key Windows key press and R, Windows R key press. Run window display, type the command percentage app data percentage. OK click. Second one, folder code, select keyboard shortcut key shift delete key press. First button yes click. Address bar section lo app data folder, select first one folder local, select open. Next Microsoft folder, select open. VS Code -optional, select mouse right click delete. Keyboard shortcut key shift delete key press. Close. Completed uninstall process.